Chapter 6 topic is solid, liquid and gas, and today's topic is sea breeze and the land breeze. As you know, these breezes occurs near the coastal areas or the areas adjacent to the large water bodies. As you know, water and land have different abilities to warm up. Water have little bit more time to warm up than land, and it is longer warm up than the land. So in the what happened in the land breeze, when at the daytime sun is rising, the land will heat up, and the air above the land will rises up just because of air will convert into warm air. So warm air is lighter in weight, so it will rises up, and sea water have cool dense air, and it moves from the sea to the land areas where there is a spaces occur just because of rising of warm air. So sea breeze occurs during the daytime just because of cool air breeze moves towards the land. Now second one is land breeze. Land breeze occurs during the night time. What happened in land breeze? The land will cool down. As I told you, water retains their warmth longer time, and land will cool down very easily in a short time. So land will cool down and the water is remain in warm condition. So the cool air from the land will move toward the sea just because of sea water is warm, and their warm air will rises up. So there is some spaces occurs, and the cool air that is dense that moves from the land toward the sea. So the land breeze occurs during the night time when the land will cool down fast in comparison to the sea water. Now third is monsoon breeze. Monsoon breeze is a seasonal breeze. It is like a sea breeze and a land breeze, but it is occur due to season. As you know, there are two seasons, mainly two seasons in India: winter season and a summer season. So in the summer season, Indian subcontinent have the monsoon breeze in the southwest part of the India, and in reverse in the northeast part of the India there is a monsoon breeze just because of winter. Now this is the monsoon breeze diagram. As the sun is rising, sun is hitting, and the land is getting warm up, so the warm air rises up from land to the atmosphere, and just because of moist air from the sea rises up, and the moist air rises to form a monsoon clouds, and this cloud will turns into rain, converts into rain, and again water go down into the river. So this is the monsoon breeze diagram. Now the next topic of this chapter is difference between air, wind, storm and the breeze. As you know, moving air is called wind, and due to motion of the air we are able to fly a kites, and the other things will move. And the storm is a strong winds are called storm, and the gentle winds are called breeze. Breezes make us feel happy, and the storms causes spoils crops and uprooted stumps. Storm is called तूफान. तूफान से क्या होता है, क्रॉप्स खराब हो जाती हैं और पेड़ उखड़ जाते हैं, buildings will also damage. So these are the difference between wind, storm and the breeze. Now why we need a ventilator in our house? What do we mean by ventilator? Ventilator is a place from where fresh air come inside the room, and the polluted air will go down outside. So ventilator likes Roshandan and windows are called ventilator that we are having in our rooms, in halls also. And why we need ventilator? For the purification of airs and the regulating the temperature of the room, we need a ventilator. And also for health benefit, just because of polluted air we are having many respiratory diseases, allergies, rashes, sinus. These diseases will occur due to polluted air. So we need a ventilator in our house and rooms. And also regulate the temperature of the room by ventilator. So these are the importance of ventilator in our houses and rooms. That's all for today. Now thank you and bye.